In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a Shopify store quickly and easily using the Duplify app. This method is useful if you want to copy products, themes, settings, and store data without rebuilding everything manually. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Apps and Sales Channels. This section allows you to manage your Shopify apps and install new tools. Next, click on Shopify App Store. Once the App Store opens, use the search bar and type Duplify. From the search results, look for the app called Duplify and click on it. This app is designed specifically for duplicating Shopify stores and transferring store data efficiently. Now click Install to add the app to your Shopify store. Shopify may ask you to approve installation permissions. Continue through the prompts to complete the setup. After installation, return to your Shopify admin panel and open the Duplify app from your Apps section. Inside the app dashboard, click Start Export. This begins the process of copying your Shopify store data. Next, enter the destination store key or connection details for the Shopify store where you want the duplicate data to be transferred. Make sure this information is entered correctly to avoid transfer issues. After that, enter a notification email address. This allows the app to send updates about the export and duplication progress. Now choose the export options you want. Depending on your needs, you can select products, collections, themes, pages, blogs, navigation menus, or other store data. This flexibility allows you to duplicate only the specific parts of your store you need. Next, review the available pricing or plan options if prompted. Select the plan that best matches the amount of data you want to transfer. Once everything is configured, start the duplication process and allow the app time to complete the export and import. After the process finishes, review your duplicated Shopify store to make sure all products, themes, and settings transferred correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to duplicate a Shopify store quickly using Duplify. Thanks for watching and goodbye.